Welcome back, boys and girls. All right, everything's about done. Come over here and look. So our rice is all cooked. It's all nice and fluffy. So that's how you know it's all done, when it's all fluffy. Our time is running out here. I'm bringing it out of the oven. Here is our fish. Oh, it just smells amazing. Look at how beautiful that looks. And here's how you can tell it's done. When you pull it apart and it just flakes apart. Oh, let me have a little taste test. Oh, that is amazing right there. We'll bring it on over here. We'll let this start to cool down a bit. We'll put this away right here. We'll turn this off. Bam. And we'll show you guys all how we get this set up. Make it all beautiful and pretty. All right. So here's what it'll look like right here. Here's our mixed veggies right here, all hot and ready. So we'll spoon out some of our rice like that. Get it all nice. Nice little pile just like that. Okay. We'll get a nice piece of the fish. Oh, it just smells beautiful. It looks beautiful. Get it right there across there. How about we do 2 pieces? I'm hungry tonight. Ooh, hot, beautiful, smells good, tastes good. Oh, beautiful. And we'll put some veggies out there on the side. There you go. Get a couple more pieces. How about some green there and some orange, make it look colorful. There you go. And I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper to my rice and my veggies right there. And there it is, boys and girls. You have baked Pacific whiting over rice, and it was cooked over lime slices with lemon pepper seasoning and oregano and rosemary. And the word of the day is Pacific whiting. You got it? Word of the day, Pacific whiting. That's the kind of fish I used. It only cost $5.99 for that entire bag. And look how many pieces I got right there. $5.99. Right here, this will feed you guys, a whole family right here at $5.99. Oh my God. You can taste, oh my God, the lime is so beautiful in that. I mean, if you don't like fish because of the fish taste, even though it has the skin on this, because tilapia fish you can get, and it costs more, and tilapia is good for you too. But this, the skin, it's so beautiful. Oh, it tastes almost like it's chicken. All right, Pacific whiting. Food, word of the day. Make yourself a healthy meal. Super easy, super fast to make. It took me like 20 minutes to make all this. The veggies, they came in a bag, frozen for $1. It's all the mixed veggies right there. Put them in the microwave. Rice, like I said, for every 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. All that rice right there was only 2 cups of rice. Look how much you get right there. So plenty of rice, all that fish right there. You got plenty of fish to plate 4 or 5 dishes right here. A lot of good food, easy to make, healthy meal. All right, boys and girls. I hope you had fun watching this. Eat healthy, be safe, and I'll see you shortly. All right, bye-bye.